What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? Already got a siren. My bad, guys. What up, Sora, Swarls, Ken, and Kesman? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Appreciate everyone, as always. Please smash that like button, guys. Please, thank you. Swarl says, damn it, I need to get my timing back on entering and exiting trades. I'm entering late and exiting early. Yeah, man, if it were that easy, we'd all be rich. But I feel you, dude. Sometimes it doesn't go your way. But, keep your head up. It'll get better. Look, Ken says, man, short beat up AVYA. Did it? Didn't go up today? It was up earlier. I don't know about now. We'll check it out. And Kesman says, just came home from work and bought 15 Tesla stocks for 160. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, very good price right now. Long-term hold, and it did moon today. So, yeah. Nice, man. That should pay off in the long term. What up, Noah? What's up? Ty said, damn it. I think I could say that, right? That is not such a bad word to where I'll get flagged. I think it's clean. If not, then, oh well. Shadow ban. Been shadow banned many times before for, I get in trouble a lot here. Okay. Already had some on 1, 2, 3, but what more today? Yeah, dude. So that's long-term, boomer buy and hold stuff, but that's responsible investing. So, yeah, it'll pay off long-term. Nice play there, dude. Damn, as in beaver work of art. Yeah. Alright, guys. Appreciate everyone. So today is Thursday, January 26th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we are doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town. Yes, fat tendies today. Should have been, at least. Yeah, all major indexes in the green here. I believe crypto's in the green as well, but don't quote me on that. But, yeah, really, really bullish day here today, in the stock market at least. And even myself as a rainbow bear, actually, yeah, I made profit today. I was up a lot more, but I did finish in the green here. So, yeah, plenty of tendies to go around for everyone today. So, hope you guys made some fat tendies. Alright, sorry, just watching some live Rainbow Bear stuff. Nothing really going on just yet. We'll check this out in a second here. Check out TCBP, up 40%. In the aftermarket or just regular? I think regular, right? I'm not seeing that in the aftermarket. But yeah, we'll check that out. Okay. Noah says cashed out on Tesla this morning. Now I have no buying power. Yeah, so that's what we call... Yeah, settling cash. Your trades have to settle. So that's called T+2, where it takes 2 days for your trades to settle. So, yeah, so for the future, don't go all in. Let's just, well, you do whatever you want. But when you go all in like that, you have no money to trade the next few days. So you should have a cash reserve moving forward. That's usually how, day traders do it. But hopefully in the future, there's only T+1 and not T+2. That's why crypto is actually T+0, so yeah, I don't want to get too technical about it, but all these crypto nerds are like, yeah, crypto is the next revolutionary because you don't need time to settle cash and blah blah blah, which is true, but for now we're still on T+2. So yeah, when you make big trades, you need the cash to settle. It takes 2 days. Okay, cool. So thank you guys, everyone. So yeah, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, live rental bearing, all that good stuff. Today we have a few articles. Not too much content today. But there is a lot of chatting so far, so it should be a great show. So we got 4 articles today. One about FTX. We got the list of creditors by FTX. GDP results, Q4. That's the big news today. And then we got news on Tesla and Bed Bath & Beyond. We got 5 Yolos, so that should go pretty quick. And of course, live rainbow bearing. Today for the TA, we're gonna do Tesla and GNS. Only things worth talking about today. Yeah, Tesla and GNS. So that should go pretty quickly as well. No full TA, but partial TA or quick TA. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs. Only 5 YOLOs. So, yeah, really not too much content today. Four articles, 5 YOLOs, 2 TAs, quick TAs, and live rainbow bearing. So, we should be out of here really, yeah, within an hour and a half. Hour to hour and a half today. Probably closer to an hour and a half. We'll see, depending on how many people come in chat. But should be pretty short and show today. Not too much content. Not too much going on. It was always instant whenever I would make trades. Yeah, because you had settled cash, and now you don't. That's the difference. Sana FDA approval, all coming back down. All right, let's do live rainbow bear scan. Let's get started with the show. All right, guys, and before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go here. Boom. All right, so first of all, I see AKAN, AKAN is mooning here. That is a 420 stock, if I'm not mistaken. This went to 50 regular trading market. And I tried to get shares, but there were none. But now it's mooning again in the post market here. It closed at 28, now it's back up to 37. So we'll keep an eye on this, but I'll probably go for this one tomorrow morning or tonight once the price action cools off. But yeah, no news there, so I'm not sure why it mooned today and not sure why it's mooning. Oh, wait a minute. All right, so there is news, but it's not for Akana. It's just the FDA doing some CBD study or something like that, but nothing to do with Akana itself. Yeah, so no specific news there. Not sure why it mooned today, but it's still mooning here post-market. Only thing mooning post-market, as of right now at least. So we will keep an eye on that. And BuzzFeed is going nuts here post-market. Yeah, that wrecked me today, BuzzFeed. We'll get to that very shortly. Alright. So I think we'll move on to my plays today. Nothing going on here. Why is this not loading? Uh-oh, BuzzFeed going the wrong way. What is wrong with the scanner? Come on. INTR. No news there. Alright, yeah, nothing really happening post-market, so we will come back to this, other than AKAN. Maybe that'll get to 50. If that gets to 50, that'd be a really excellent entry. Alright, guess we'll go to my plays today. Let me, update this. Alright. Cool. I'm gonna take a quick drink and we will do my place here today. Yeah, BuzzFeed is going up here in the post market. This is not good. What up, Koya? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Any after-hour plays, boys? No, not as of right now. Just AKAN. I didn't go for it yet, but the only thing moving is AKAN. 420 stock. Shorted Tesla yesterday, got burned for $100. Yeah, sorry about that. Pretty risky play there. Well, I guess either way was risky, long or short. But that's not too bad at the end of the day. Outlook was ass, still moons. Not sure what WTF is going on with these apes. Yeah, don't try to understand, dude. These days, in this market, nothing makes sense. Alright, let's get to my place today. So, I cut a lot of plays here. Anyway. I think I have 8 plays right now. What is going on with BuzzFeed, dude? This is ridiculous. Apes are mad with this bull market while companies are reporting poor outlook into the year. I mean, the market's going back up, though. Boomer stocks are going back up. Ape stocks are not. Look at Intel? Sure. Alright, BuzzFeed gonna use ChatGPT. Yeah, that's one piece of news that came out today. We'll get to that. Alright, so let's do it. BLPH down 10.65%, up 245. SPR, I'm gonna cut that tomorrow, by the way. SPRB up 10.75% and down 340. I don't know why that moved today. Is there news? No idea. BWEN down 2.25%, up 85. HLBZ up 0.3%, down. Well, actually now I'm down 0.35%, up 10. BIAF, I don't know why this went the other way today. This went up 17.5%, down 300 there. Yeah, I do not know why that kept mooning today. That is stupid. Heavily shorted and crazy price action already. Anyway, I'm down 300 there. SNOA, don't know why this one went the other way. Up 8.9% today, down 145. UTRS, so I got an excellent entry here. UTRS. Got in at 64. Now it's in at 41. So I'm up 790 there today, and I'm still holding. Didn't cover yet. Plan to cover at 27. So that was my major gainer today. GOVX, just covered that at 78. Made made 630 there, and then MDVL shorted and covered this morning for 490. And then finally BuzzFeed, which is going absolutely nuts here in the post market. So yeah, this is the major loser today. I'm down 1.46k here right now. Shorted at 140. It's at 230 now. So yeah, I'm down about 1.4k here. Yeah, that had news this morning. I think Meta invested in them, and then, which was fine, because I got in at a good price, 140, and then towards lunchtime, like 11 or 12 o'clock, they announced more PR about Chat GPT, and then that caused it to squeeze. So, yeah. I took a nap, and then I woke up like, oh, what the hell happened? So, anyway. So, for the most part, I did good today, except for BuzzFeed. But, still holding there. I do expect that to pull back very significantly. So, overall today, I was up more. BuzzFeed's going nuts here. But, so I'm up about 230 as of right. I was up 400 earlier. Now I'm up like 200, so maybe I'll end up in the red here after the aftermarket is over if BuzzFeed keeps going like this. But yeah, small gain here for me today. I'll take it. All right. So yeah, I mean, kind of sucks. I was up a lot more, but what you gonna do? Yeah, now it's up to 235. So yeah, thing just keeps moving in the post market. Now I am down at 1.5k. What is up with that, dude? I mean, it kind of is a meme stock. Whatever. All right. Do another scan here. Yeah. So I'm up a little bit today, guys. Yeah, there's BuzzFeed, of course, moving 30% in the aftermarket here. That is so stupid, dude. And there's like no sell pressure either. Ridiculous. ACAN still moving. Yeah, nothing really going on. Just BuzzFeed and ACAN. Yeah, it's pushing 240 now. This is crazy. This is crazy. Pulling back a little bit. Alright, so we will come back to this. Alright, let's get to the watch list today. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, so the Dow Jones up 0.61%. Let's do this. NASDAQ up 2%. And S&P 500 up 1.1%. So, yeah, really bullish day here today, for the most part. VIX is down 1.83%, down 0.35 points. So we're at 18.73 VIX now. Very nice. So, yeah, pretty good day here today. Pretty bullish day. Especially in the NASDAQ. Let's check it out. Let's start on the red side. Excuse me. Alright, so Bed Bath & Beyond. Got an article about this coming up. And down 22% today and pulling back even more in the post-market here. Mullen pulling back there. 8.5%. See a whole bunch of memes, growth in memes here. And not much price action. I don't see any value. There's Pepsi, 1%. Pfizer, 0.9. Netflix. Alright, so it seems like value is 1% and lower. But really not much value. Mostly growth and memes in the red here. And not much price action. Red is really not too bad. And on the green side, and not many stocks in the red. Now on the green side, so yeah, Tesla, 11%, big gainer here today. Looks like all the EVs, Li Auto, NIO, XPeng, Chevron's up 5%, Meta 4.1%, Exxon, so yeah. Oil doing good, EVs doing good. Looks like tech's doing good, Microsoft 3%. Yeah, Meta 4%, Google 2.5, Chipotle 2.7. Amazon 2.1, Target 1.7. Here's Costco, Amazon, or excuse me, Apple, Disney. And everything else. Yeah, so not much price action, but most of the stocks in the green. Most of the value in the green. So it seems like the boomers really winning today. Value doing really good. Growth not so much, depending what you're in. And Rainbow Bear should have won, depending on what you're into. Anyway, so a very, very bullish day for value stocks for the boomers. Neutral for the apes and neutral for bears, I guess. But yeah, today was really bullish overall. Again, especially for value and boomers. So yeah, hope you guys made some fat tennies today. There's the stock market. Let's do another scan, and then let's get to crypto and the news. BuzzFeed going down. Yeah, down to 230 now. It's better than 240, but it closed at what, like 210. So it should pull back. Well, I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, it should. We'll see where this ends in the post market. Yeah, so nothing still. TCBP did not have news, right? No. Oh, they had an upgrade. HC Wainwright. Makes sense. Okay. Cool. All right, let's get to crypto and the news. Give me a second here, guys. Gotta pull that up. So at least HLBZ. Did I have that in my whatever? Yeah, HLBZ. Crazy price action today, but it is down 2.3% now. So I'm only down 300 there. Still bag holding. All right, BuzzFeed is slowly pulling back. Give this another second to finish loading. GNS is also finally pulling back. Don't know why this is taking so long. Alright, gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started here on crypto and the news. Alright. All good to go. Alright, here's crypto. That's up 0.7% today. So slightly bullish day here in crypto, like yesterday. Can't complain. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin up 0.4%, holding 23K. Ether up 1.1%, holding 1,600. Binance up a little bit, 0.2. XRP down 1.2. Wow, Polygon, big movement here. 10.6%. Cardano, nice little run. Why is nothing loaded? Stupid coin market cap, bro. Let's reload this. Slow internet today. Alright, we'll start on the red side. So it looks like about... Come on. Yeah, it looks like about... Call it 40% of the coins in the red here today. So... only one coin in the double digits on the red side. Optimism. OP. Down 11%. So not much price action. Only value coins really like Cosmos and Litecoin. Aptos as well. XRP. Alright, I guess there's decent value. But yeah, not much price action. Look at the green side. So green side, 60% of the coins in the green. We got 4 coins in the double digits here. eCash, Phantom, Polygon, and Threshold. Polygon really holding up the market here today. 10.5%. So, yeah. Decent amount of price action. Good amount of value, and more coins in the green. So, yeah, not anything too crazy today. But slightly bullish day here in crypto. So, yeah. Overall, bullish day. Really bullish day in the stock market. Slightly bullish day here in crypto. So, you know, overall, should have been some fat tendies for the bulls. And even the bears. Tendies for everyone today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Alright, let's get to the articles. Alright, once again today, guys, we have 4 articles. One about FTX. We got an update here about the creditors. One about the Q4 GDP. Big article today. And then articles about Tesla and Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's do it. Alright, first one, creditors owed money by FTX. So, yeah, yesterday, we actually have the list here of firms FTX owes. So, and 10 million FTX users were not on that document, the individual users. But yeah, we got Coinbase, Galaxy Digital, Yuga Labs, Circle, Bittrex, Sky Mavis, Chain Analysis, Messari, and Binance. Also, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, Meta, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, and Twitter. New York Times, Wall Street Journal, CoinDesk. And the IRS. Everyone is owed money here. The IRS invested in Coinbase. I mean, in FTX. I mean, SBF did have ties to the government. Also, foreign government agencies from Japan, Australia, Hong Kong, and others. And also smaller companies. It says a pest company and a garden store are owed money too. So, yeah, they owe money to everyone. But yeah, there's some pretty big names on here. And 1 million unsecured creditors. You know, they're not going to get their money back. Okay. So yeah, just an update here. Not surprising, but there's some pretty big names on this list here that FTX owes. And it does appear like it does appear like people are going to get most of their money back. Well, a majority of their money back, about 60% as of right now. Because they did recover a good amount of funds. Anyway, so yeah, FTX update. I'll bring you more updates because I'm sure there'll be more. All right, next article. This is the big one today. U.S. GDP rose 2.9% in fourth quarter, more than expected even as recession fears loom. All right, GDP rose at 2.9% annualized pace in the fourth quarter, slightly better than expected. Consumer spending weakened from the previous period but remained positive. A sharp slide in housing helped pull down GDP while boosts in government spending and private investment aided growth. Jobless claim fell last week while durable goods and orders increased sharply in December, but mainly due to demand for aircraft. All right. So yes, GDP numbers coming out. This is good. The economy is growing. Um so 2.9%, average is 2%. Yeah, economy is growing, and but expected was 2.8%, so we did slightly beat that. And yeah, so past 2 quarters we've been growing. So spending is down a little bit. Got a bunch of random numbers here. Anyway, not gonna go through all of this, but the economy is pretty strong. Um, Counterintuitive, because everyone predicts a recession, but then the economy is actually kind of strong. So, I mean, I personally think we're already in a recession. We've been in one, and we're getting out of one. But yeah, according to the data here, the economy is pretty strong, despite what everyone is saying. So yeah, good GDP numbers here, bullish, and that's probably why the market was up so much today. All right, then we just got some minor news here on Tesla, which we'll analyze, and Bed Bath and Beyond. So Tesla shares pop on better than feared earnings results, demand outlook. Tesla shares rose as much as 11% Thursday morning, continuing an overnight gain driven by optimistic sentiment from CEO Elon Musk. Analysts offered more mixed response, but investors responded enthusiastically to Musk's prognostication that the EV manufacturer could produce 2 million cars in 2023. Really? Okay. Better than feared, wrote Canaccord Genuity analyst George whatever in a Wednesday night vote. Canaccord maintained its buy rating with a 275 price. All right. So yeah, they had earnings. I think we saw it live yesterday. I think they missed. I think they beat EPS and then met revenue. So the earnings weren't that great, but they were better than expected, just barely. It doesn't even say what the delivery numbers were, but we'll take a closer look later. But yeah, so Tesla slightly better than expected earnings, and it's mooning here. But we'll analyze this very shortly. All right, last article. Bed Bath & Beyond shares plunge after retailer warns it doesn't have the cash to pay down debts. All right, so this is the major gut today. Bed Bath & Beyond said Thursday it doesn't have enough cash to pay down its debts. It said it has defaulted on its credit line with JP Morgan, warning once again of a potential bankruptcy. The updates come several weeks after the retailer issued a bankruptcy warning. Yep. Not good for BBBY. It's at like $2 now, and yep. RIP to the apes. Okay, so we're not gonna look at it, but yeah, that stock is done. Wow, BuzzFeed went back up. This is crazy, and it's holding now. TCBP is going up now, lol. Wow, timing is off, lol. Yeah, I'm not going to go for it because there's no news, but sure, we'll take a look. What are some good long-term stocks to hold right now, and what would be best time to buy them or wait a little while? Well, if you're going to buy and hold, obvious answer is blue chip stuff. I just recommend buying ETFs. SPY, SPSM, SPMD, all the SPY caps. Pretty much, you just buy SPY, dude. It's, you can't go wrong buying SPY. It's pretty diversified. And I mean, I think now is a pretty good time to buy. It appears like to me the recession is we're coming out of it, but that's just my opinion. It's better just to see. There's a saying: time in the market is better than timing the market, because it's very hard to time the market. So it's better just to buy and keep dollar cost averaging. That's the way to buy and hold long term. You buy it every month. You put in a little more money, no matter what the price is. So I'm gonna say index funds, ETFs like SPY. Look into iShares and Spider. They have like a lot of good ETFs. And I think dollar cost average is the best way to go about it. Ranch Gumball says bull market is back, baby. Hey, don't jinx it, but it appears like we very well could be the start of a bull market. Yes, I sure hope so. Well, did you look at the options chains for puts, bet and beyond? Wow, no, I did not. We'll check it out. All right, guys. So that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. Let me actually pull up the Yolos real quick. Let that load while we do some quick TA and live rainbow bearing. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So we're doing really good on time here. It's only 4:40. Yeah, we might be out of here, I don't know, sooner than 5:30. But we're doing really good on time here. Alright, let's do another scan and some live rainbow bearing. Or scan and live rainbow bearing and TA. Alright, so yeah, nothing's really going on post-market. So let's look at, and anything you guys want me to look at, put in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just look at, the hell are we looking at? GNS and, Tesla and GNS, right. Alright, Tesla. So this is actually worth its own video, but it's not going to get that many views, so I'm not going to do its own video. But let's see here. So a bunch of price upgrades here. Citi, 164. Bank of America, 155. Wolf, 185. Wedbush, 200 at Wedbush. Wells Fargo, 150. Cohen, 140. Anyway, bunch of price adjustments here. Looks like a lot of hedge funds upgraded. Yeah, I think they had, so slight EPS beat, revenue. They just met revenue, and I think deliveries were like 500K, something like that. So, yeah, earnings were slightly bullish. And we'll take a look at the chart here. Alright, so I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of concerned. Of course, long term, it's bullish. Cup and handle. Gap down here at 266, so this should come back up to 266 eventually. But in the short term here, I'm not going to lie, this is kind of bearish, it looks like. So it gapped up again, so now we have a... It looks like we have a quadruple gap up. Yeah, we do. Quadruple gap up. It's probably coming back down to 102. Well, I'm not going to say it is, but there's a good chance it does come back down to 102 to fill this gap. That's the lowest one. But yeah, there's one at 102. My bad, not 102. 115. 115. 123. 133.5 and 146. So quadruple gap up. RSI's at 66, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but approaching that. Aftermarket action is slightly bearish. And kind of developing, very rough sketch. Developing a channel here. So I don't know. Yeah, again, obviously, long-term bullish, but I think short-term this is due for some pullback. TA does not look good short-term. So maybe an unpopular opinion, but I'm going to say short-term bearish, long-term bullish on Tesla. So this is not exactly the greatest entry. I'd hold off and wait for a better one. I'd be patient here if you want to enter Tesla. Wouldn't recommend shorting either. That's pretty dangerous, but yeah, this has been on a run lately and is probably due for some pullback. So yeah, good earnings, but I think short term is going to pull back, and long term, very bullish. But yeah, unpopular opinion. All right, and then GNS. So big pullback here today. Not much to say. Opinion still the same. So falling knife right now, looks like. Pulling back aftermarket. So yeah, falling knife. This is going to close the gap at 224 and then back at 62 cents. So RSI is still so it's 69 RSI right now. So no longer overbought and overvalued, but pretty much there. Volume coming down. So it looks like the squeeze is over. Yeah, so high RSI. Double gapped up aftermarket action, all bearish. Only bullish thing is the MACD, which is reversing right now. So, it could be a bull flag. Could be a bull flag, but I don't think so. But yeah, this could, very rough sketch. This could be a bull flag developing here, like this. So yeah, not much has changed here. To me, short term looks very bearish. I think it's coming back down to 62. But, apes are still, I wouldn't say strong, but the apes are still with this one. And a bull flag is developing. It is a meme stock, so, anything can happen. But unlikely. So I'm going to say short term is probably going to pull back very significantly. And longer term, probably not that great either. This is a brand new stock. About a year old, not even. Don't know much about it fundamentally, but I assume it's trash. So yeah, big pullback in the last few days, but this is still pretty excellent short to me. So yeah, I like shorting here. I don't like going long. Seems pretty bearish. A lot of downside to go. So I like shorting. I don't like going long. Just use stop losses, guys. So yeah, I would say short term and long term bearish on this one. All right, cool. Let's look at some other stuff you guys told me about. TCBP, Santa, AVYA, sure. Intel. All right, let's quickly look at some of these stocks. Intel, yeah, so bad earnings, I guess. Here, not sure what they were. Yeah, bad earnings on Intel. Guh. AVYA. Yeah, what happened here? They had earnings right now, so it's going up. But this was up a lot more earlier. Yeah, it's hit almost 50 and then just sold off. Wow. Head and shoulders. Alright, yeah, good luck here. I don't know what happened today. That's nasty. AVYA. Yeah, so it's earnings. It's going up a little in the aftermarket here, but not much. I don't know what happened. It's at 48 and came all the way back down. That's nasty. Because I saw this morning. This was mooning. So I did not know this finished in the red. Is the short? Yeah. I mean, obviously. Santa. What's up with this stuff? FDA approval. Oh, I see. So it did moon and then right back down. That was quick. Wow, real quick. Algorithms got algorithms are on this. Um, TCBP, Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, so this one mooned today, 40%, 41%, and mooning in the aftermarket still. No idea why. No idea why. Really weird. So there's a gap at 30. Imagine that fills. And then we'll do Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, so what I say, it's so the gap filled here. Alright, so yeah, the gap filled, like I predicted. That was pretty violent, but yeah, I said 224. It's back there. Yeah, so the gap filled. And like I predicted. And probably more downside to go. Can't say how low it's gonna go now, but probably more downside to go. But I think sooner or later this should start to catch support and reverse. Well, we'll see what happens with the bankruptcy. Anyway, so yeah, MACD bearish, RSI 45, so slightly bullish. Aftermarket action bearish, pulling back here. But longer term, chart looks bullish. But yeah, fundamentally, stock is trash. I wouldn't. Anyway, so yeah, I think there's more downside to go in the very short term, but sooner or later, this should start to bottom out and catch support and reverse. So this may be a good time to enter. Coming up, not just yet, but this is how you play meme stocks. You gotta buy low, sell high, not buy high, bag hold. So quite honestly, there's no support here. So yeah, there's like no support. So alright, I think 185 would be a pretty good entry. Alright, 210, 185, 170, 160, 150, and yeah, like 130. Anyway, again, guys, I think 210 and lower, good entry here. 210 and lower, good entry. So yeah, I support going along at 210 and lower. Too late to go short. I mean, there was more downside, but probably already missed your chance. So yeah, short term bearish, very short term bearish. But I think sooner or later it should start to bottom out and reverse. So good luck here, guys. HC Wainwright, price target $9. Yeah, that would do it. That would do it. Those scammers, those shady hedgies over there. I hate those guys. If you look at their reviews, it's pretty funny. Everyone just calls them crooks because they are. Alright, BuzzFeed back down at 230. Yeah, so still no aftermarket action. Manipulation. Yeah, manipulation. But I'm not a dumb ape who's going to cry manipulation. I understand that's how the stock market goes. You know, that's the game. It ain't fair, but that's how it is. If you don't like it, then don't play. Alright, well, I guess we'll finish up with the Yolos. No aftermarket action, so... Yeah, it's 4:54, and we should be out of here very shortly, like 10-15 minutes. So, yeah, very short show, but good show. Just not much content. All right, let's finish up here, guys. Only 5 Yolos. All right, gonna take a drink and we'll finish up here. BS menu is pure manipulation? Yes, that for sure is pure manipulation. You're gonna be like, wow, BuzzFeed is back up to 240 now. You're gonna be like these dumb apes and go file a complaint to the SEC? Because it's hilarious whenever, like, so many Mullen apes. I think it was Mullen. But just so many of these stupid apes on meme stocks. You see StockTwits, which is just the most toxic place ever. So when they're right, they're geniuses. But when they're wrong, manipulation. And then everyone sign this petition, sign this form to, and send it over to the SEC. Man, these apes are something else. Wow, BuzzFeed is going nuts here. Is that... Wow! It just went to 255. Alright, let's back up a second here. This is not good. BuzzFeed is squeezing. The high was 288. Good thing I was asleep for that. I would have been stressed. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. But this just hit 250. This is squeezing post-market. Violent rip here to the upside. And looks like another bull flag may be developing now. So, yeah, this is really not good. But, hey, that's how it goes, right? Can't complain too much, because at least the past few days I have been actually making tendies. But I don't know what's going on here. This is ridiculous. It's a 40%, or not 40%, 40 cents in the post-market, which is about 20%. What is going on, bro? To wish them to lose every game? I'm not a soccer fan, but isn't Ronaldo on Man U? I don't know. I gotta stop before I sound stupid. All right. Yeah. So BuzzFeed going nuts here. This is not good. This is squeezing, for sure. So I hope this doesn't absolutely moon, but we still got another 3 hours of trading. This is not looking too good. Or maybe it'll cool off. I don't know. But yeah, this is not good in the moment. Ronaldo left. Oh, he did. Wasn't that recently? Like, not that long, a couple months ago? I don't even know. I don't watch soccer. I gotta shut up. Yeah. I watch football and basketball and baseball. Soccer is not my thing. Alright, cool. So getting wrecked here on BuzzFeed. Nice. Alright, oops. Finish up with the Yolos. I don't know why I'm lagging here. Alright. Cool. Alright, let's finish up with the Yolos, guys. Only got 5 today. This should go real quick. Yeah, not much content. Wall Street Bet slacking today, but I pulled up the best ones. Alright. Cool. By the Crypto Ken Keeper. Pelosi strikes again. Alright, this is actually pretty hilarious. So, 12/20/22. Hey, Paul. Listen, I just heard the DOJ is going to sue Google so start selling our shares. That's her husband. The guy who got jumped in their house. Yeah, so greatest insider trader of all time. So, yeah, so she sold $3 million in Google stock. And yesterday, the U.S. government files antitrust lawsuit against Google. Yep. So, even when she loses, she still wins. Greatest trader of all time, Nancy Pelosi. And her husband, Paul Pelosi. siren, guys. My apologies. We actually been doing pretty good on sirens. Haven't been too many of them today. I'll be honest. What is she, like 80 years old? She looks pretty good for 80-year-old. Not saying, you know, I'd do anything, but she's an above average 80-year-old woman. I guess that's what happens when you're rich. You can afford plastic surgery and makeup and all that good stuff. Personal trainers, chefs. Ronaldo left, which started the whole sell-off. Man U and shorts. Oh yeah, that's right. That did start the short thing, because Ronaldo left. That's right. I do remember now. Yeah. Pelosi's son in Mullen. Is he really? I think he is, right? Yeah. So she's a little ape in the making. Husband is probably really disappointed. Now, legit, her husband is like a master trader, or he just has the inside scoop. He's an insider, yeah. Go figure. Because I just don't see how he could trade options like that. Like, he is such a wizard with options. That's just not typical. You don't see stuff like that. People get wrecked on options. He guesses right every single time, most of the time, or he sells before he takes a major L. It's just not typical, you know. Either he's a genius, which I mean he could be, or he's an insider. All right, by Time Wizard, my account was in the nice six-figure range this morning. After today, not so much. Everything I could possibly do wrong, I did wrong. All right. So he doesn't show what he did. But he says he started with 6 figures. I don't know. That could be anything, probably, but probably about 100K. And he finishes with 34K.
And it's gone.
So he lost at least 66K today. How? I have no idea. FDs? Has to be. Yeah, so this is just really, really bad risk management. If you have a 100K account, you should not be losing 65% in a day. That is absurd. Does he say? Oh, it does say. Yeah. So CSX, LUV, Microsoft, PDD, PGR, WB, and SPY. So the only things I really know here are Microsoft and SPY and LUV. And he guessed wrong on all of them. So FDs on 7 stocks, and they all went terribly wrong. Yeah, that would do it. That would do it. So I really don't feel too bad, because you should know better, you know? That's just terrible risk management. And yeah, this is why apes go broke. It's not even because they're just bad at risk management. It's not even about the stocks they pick. You don't do stuff like this. You don't YOLO your whole account into FDs. But hey, this is the casino. This is not these are not investors. These are gamblers. Anyway, so epic lost cord. Really, really stupid. Don't know what you were thinking, but hey, you belong here. Congratulations. Sorry for your loss, not really, but thanks for hosting. Epic lost cord. Good luck to you. All right, yeah, these aren't that good. By Gypsies232. I thought you guys were saying puts were the move, and it's going to go below 100. Maybe I'm a little late to the party. All right, so Tesla puts here. What is this? January. I don't know what this says. January. Oh, 130 put. Got it. All right. March 130 put. All right. Got it. Got it. All right. So, yeah, he's down. Not sure exactly what the play is, but March 130 put. Down 70%. 4.4K approximately. Stupid siren. My bad, guys. Tesla. 1.6. I mean, I guess there's time. Still got over a month to go. I don't think he's wrong. He's just early. This ambulance is mad annoying. Alright. Yeah, so he's down most of his money here. I don't know. At this point, he lost so much, and, you still got a decent amount of time. Yeah, I'm not even going to comment here. I'd probably just cut it. But there is a decent chance this does go back down and actually finishes in the money somehow. So, yeah, but this is earnings play gone wrong. And now you got to do whatever you can to save face. So, yeah, this is why I don't do options, and this is why I don't play earnings. Straight up gamble. So, you know, this isn't that bad. 4K, but yeah, earnings play gone wrong. So, I'd cut it now, but no matter what happens, please post updates, dude. Should you cut or diamond hands? Yes. Alright, 2 more. Gain core now. Buy potential project 4.8. Last time I posted in December, a bunch of people said I'd lose it all. So here is me losing it all. Combo of trading options / triple leverage funds. Wow.
Bruh.
Alright, so this is an ape. This is the post that every ape wishes for. You know, this is what apes think they are, geniuses. This guy's not a genius, by the way. He's just lucky. So, highly, highly risky. So, yeah, a bunch of FDs and triple leverage funds. So, highly, highly risky, and somehow he ran it up. He ran it up in the past, like, 6 months. Yeah, 5 months. In the past 5 months, he ran it up quite a bit. Well, he started with like 200, 225. Yeah, so he ran it up like 90K in 5 months, which is pretty impressive. 90K with options and leverage funds. All right, so yeah, I guess that's pretty reasonable, but just highly, highly risky. And I'm glad it worked, but if it didn't, this could have went the other way, like really bad. He could have been down 100K. So, yes, it worked. Is this a good long-term winning strategy? Probably not. So at this point, I just recommend this guy, Potential Project 4.8. Congrats to you. You proved everyone wrong. Actually, you're wrong. They're right. They're just early. So do the smart thing and walk away before you chuck it all back. So not typical. Congrats to you. Very happy. But yeah, not typical at all. But every ape's wishes they were this. Anyway, so epic gain corn. More luck than anything, let's be honest. And yeah, at this point, you know, just don't do anything dumb. Secure the gains. Enjoy your tendies. Alright, last one. By Beastly Blue. Update on my post from yesterday. $400 to 21K SPY. Wow, so we're not going to look at everything here, but yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I do want to see what the play was, though, actually. I think he says it here. Yeah, 405 call, 126. Yeah, so super FDs, 405 call. I mean, it's not in the money, but he sold. Anyway, so, yeah, that's pretty impressive. It says 400 to 21. I think it's more like 5K to 21. Anyway, regardless, about 16K profit in a day, 270%. Very nice. Alright, so, yeah, more luck than anything. Insane gain here, not typical. So at this point, like I always say, enjoy the tendies. Chill out in the future. Got lucky, and you're not going to get so lucky next time. So yeah, enjoy your tendies. Make smart decisions. Alright, cool. So that is all the Yolos for today, guys. So, yeah, it's now 5:10. And that's all the content. So, let's do one more scan here, and let's get out of here. So, really, really short show today. But that was a good show. Well, that's cool. Get out of here early. All right, another scan. BuzzFeed's still going nuts. This is ridiculous. Up 35% in the post market. Stupid, stupid. Yeah, other than that, nothing else was really going on. Alright, so I think that's it, guys. So I think I'm down now, because stupid BuzzFeed is wrecking me here. Yeah, I am down now. I was up 200. So I was up like 1,000, then I was up 200, now I'm down 200. Stupid BuzzFeed. Anyway, that's how it goes. Hopefully this stops squeezing. This is ridiculous. But yeah, so yeah, really bullish day here today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. One more day to go tomorrow, till we end the week. So yeah, let's finish strong tomorrow. I'll catch you guys back here and on Discord. Alright, do me a favor, guys. Smash the like button, please, before I get out of here. And that's all I got. So, yes, thank you guys for the show today. Great show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. That's my diamond hands. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.